My name is Dr. Saima. I'm right now head of the department in emergency department in ISIC. So because Diwali is coming, so today we will be talking about little bit safeties and precautions which we should take during the time of a Diwali. So the first of all, we will talk about the fire and the burn safety. So for this, we should use firework in open areas, like that should be away from the buildings and from the vehicles. Second, whenever there is a cracker which is already dead, so we shouldn't relight it, we shouldn't put it in the water. Third is there should be always a distance, and when you are like any cracker is there should be distance. And the clothes which we are using, we shouldn't use silk clothes because the cotton is always the safe. And we should logically at the time of when there are burns, what happens during the Diwalis, there are the mine burns. At the time of the mine burns, just put the water on the burn areas and don't put any kind of a ghee or the toothpaste on that area. Second comes the question of the eye protection. So that is definitely very important because during the time of the Diwali, always you should maintain a distance from the sparkles, and you should wear the whatever the glasses if we could use at that time when we are like burning the diyas or the sparkles at that time. So about the children's safety, so we should always supervise kids during that time, and there shouldn't be any firework without the supervision of an adult. And we should educate the kids about the sparklings and about the burns and about everything. Last is the patients who are having asthma, who are having the COPDs, who are going through some respiratory issues. So we should keep them indoors at the time of the peak hours, and we should make them wear the masks. So that is the last advice, like we should have the numbers of the nearby emergencies or the hospitals where we are living. We should always have the numbers in our phones, and in case of there's any breathing difficulty, in case of there's a major burn, so we should rush to the emergencies at that time. Have a safe and happy Diwali to everyone.